Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add balloon borders in Word document for your invoice. So let's see. So first go to this design tab in page background group, click on the page borders option and you can see the one dialog box is open, borders and shading. Then click on the second tab, page borders. Okay. Then here in page border tab, here the art option available, just click on this drop down arrow and here select the balloon art. So I just drag below and see here the balloon design. So I just check here balloon design. Okay, that's it, I got it. Just click on here and you can see in preview. Okay, and if you want to increase the size of balloon, you can change here the thickness. Okay, just click on the drop down arrow and you can see the changes over on preview. Okay, and after that just click on OK and here you can see the balloon borders is showing on Word document. So that's it, hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.